Welcome to this instructional aftercare guide for the Hoover H-FREE500 cordless stick. We are going to show you how to care for and maintain your Hoover H-FREE500, the cordless stick equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity. Thanks to the Hoover Wizard app, you can always be updated on the status of your cleaner. In the maintenance section, you will be able to get suggestions in order to take care of your vacuum and to guarantee its performance. Let's see how to maintain and take care of your Hoover H-FREE500 step by step. First of all, you can always check the battery status both on the vacuum with LED light and on the app. The battery can be charged in 6 hours, directly in the vacuum, or it can be removed and charged separately. When it's fully charged, you can also receive a notification on your smartphone. To help maintain strong suction, make sure that you empty the dust container regularly. Simply press the dust cup empty button to open it and remove any excess of dust, debris and hair. When it's time to empty the dust container, you can also receive a notification on your smartphone. Now let's see how to maintain the nozzle. Remember to check it regularly to make sure there is no obstruction. With the convenient brush release system, it's very easy to remove the intense floor roller. If there is hair tangled around it, remove it by unwinding or snip it carefully with scissors. Refit the agitator, paying attention that it's engaged on the opposite side of the release button flap. Your vacuum features the safety protection system to ensure reliability. If the agitator has a blockage, it will stop rotating and the red LED light on the nozzle will illuminate for around 10 seconds. If this happens, simply turn off your product and clear the obstruction to resume cleaning. For optimum performance, it's important to take care of the filter. It's recommended to clean the filter regularly. Remove the dust bin assembly by turning it clockwise and pulling away from the unit. Remove the pre-motor filter, pulling the support from the bin assembly. Remove the single cyclone system, pulling the metal ring from the bin assembly. Then, remove the vortex finder by rotating clockwise and pulling away from the cyclone system. Wash all parts with warm water and leave them to fully dry for 24 hours before reassembling. Now you know how to fully take care of your compact Hoover H-FREE500. It's easy to get the best of your cleaner thanks to the Hoover Wizard app.